How divorce support impacts children's academic success. Divorce counseling and resources matter. Discover how divorce support, counseling, and resources can improve children's academic performance and foster resilience during family transitions. The role of divorce support in children's academic performance. Hey, so I wanted to chat with you about something that doesn't always get the spotlight, but is really important. How divorce support can impact a child's academic performance. I know divorce is a tough subject, and when parents split, it's not just the adults who feel the shakeup. Kids go through a lot of emotional stuff, and that can definitely spill over into how they do in school. When families go through divorce, children often experience a whirlwind of emotions: sadness, confusion, anger, sometimes even guilt. It's a lot for anyone, especially young kids, to handle. Without proper support, these feelings can lead to struggles like reduced concentration, lower motivation, and sometimes behavioral issues that all interfere with learning. That's where divorce support, such as divorce counseling and divorce help, plays a crucial role. Support groups or counseling tailored for kids can provide a safe space for children to express what they're feeling and understand what's happening around them. When a child feels heard and supported, it helps create emotional stability, which is a foundation for better focus and academic success. Emotional outlet. Kids who get support after their parents' divorce can express their feelings openly, reducing anxiety and stress. Improved focus. With emotional stress eased, children are often better able to concentrate in class and engage with their studies. Building resilience. Support helps kids develop coping skills that not only help during the divorce, but throughout their academic journey and life. Now, you might wonder if just talking about the divorce really makes that much of a difference in school. The truth is, emotional challenges from family changes can cause disruptions in sleep, motivation, behavior, and even social relationships at school. These factors combined can tank a child's grades or their interest in learning. But when they receive the right kind of divorce assistance, like counseling sessions or joining age-appropriate divorce support groups, they gradually find a foothold again. It's also super important for parents themselves to have the right divorce resources. When they are equipped to manage their own emotions healthily and communicate well, it sets a more stable environment for their kids. Less conflict between parents tends to mean less emotional chaos for children, which naturally translates into better outcomes at school. Something I really recommend is checking out the book Brokenness and New Beginnings. It's a thoughtful guide offering hope and healing for families dealing with divorce. It's not just about working through the pain, but also embracing fresh starts. If you or someone you know is going through this, order your copy today to find hope and healing. In wrapping this up, the key takeaway is that the academic performance of children in divorced families significantly benefits from proper support. When children have access to counseling and support groups designed for them, their emotional and mental well-being gets a boost, and that resilience reflects back in school success. If you know a family navigating a divorce, encouraging them to seek out divorce advice and support isn't just helpful, it can be transformational for their kids' futures. Thanks for hanging with me on this topic. It's a tough subject, but one where the right help really can make a meaningful difference in a child's life.